In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a new folder in the VN application. So let's get started. First, you need to open the VN application. Once you open it, you'll see an interface like this. Now, to create a new folder, look at the top right corner where you'll see three dots inside a circle. Tap on that. After that, tap on Create Folder. Here, you can select a background color for your folder. As you can see, I like this one, so I'm going to keep it. Next, you can also change the icon in the center. You'll find several options here like a heart, a favorite icon, a light bulb, fire, a house, an airplane, and many more. You can choose whichever icon you like and add it here. Then, you'll need to enter the name of the folder, whatever name you want to give it. After that, just tap on Create Folder, and your folder will be created. It's done. As you can see, the folder named Guide Me has been created. Right now, it's empty. So this is how you can create a folder in the VN application. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'll see you in another interesting video.